This is a mini baler that I built. It makes bales that are about 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches and 6 inches long. To make a bale, you take a handful of straw and put it in the bale chamber. Once the straw is in the bale chamber, then you take and grab the handle and compress it by pushing the plunger. When the plunger is pushed, it pushes the bale down the chamber. Add some more straw and push it down the chamber again. Here is a completed bale that was pushed out of the far end of the bale chamber. Adding 1 or 2 more handfuls of straw will push the stop down to the end of the twine slots. With the stop at the end of the twine slots, it's time to lock the plunger in the compressed position. Pick up the needle, push it through next to the plunger, and pull a twine back through. It's time for me to tie the knot. With the knot tied, the twine is trimmed and cut off. The needle is again pushed through, the twine pulled back and tied for the other string. It does take a little bit of time to pull the strings through and tie the knots. When both twines have been tied and cut off, the stop is then pulled out and moved up next to the plunger. It doesn't take too long to tie the knot and goes pretty easy once you've done a few. With the stop moved up next to the plunger, it's time to start adding more straw and making another bale. Here is another bale pushed out of the bale chamber, tied and ready to go.